Yep.
Hey Mick, the good people want a cold call Centurion update.
You want a bloody cold call Centurion update? I'll give you an update. Look, there's not much we can do right now, except provide massive value for everyone in need. So what we're doing is free disinfection services for all business premises, the external of course, so we don't even need to come inside. You can stay inside and we'll just help you out from the exterior. We can even post a video on your social media channels to make sure your customers know that you're being proactive. Get out there, be proactive, make sure you're still making some noise and get everyone around you in this time.
So Mick, if they don't call you, and you know what the cold call Centurion loves to do, he loves to get on the blower.
Well, I do love to get on the blower, so if they don't call me, if you don't call me, I'll bloody well call you, okay? I'm on to you, I'm out here to help, so just get me around for a chat. We'll have a coffee together from 2 meters distance, obviously. Mate, if you need to just have someone to chat to, I'll come around with the disinfection sprayer and we'll have a chat from 20 meters away. Stay tuned.